Hey guys! So after making my first video talking about Relumins oral vials, I had a lot of people reach out to me with lots of questions. So I decided to compile the most frequently asked questions into a video and share with you. Okay, so the first question is, how much product should come in the vial? Each vial comes filled approximately halfway. This is the correct fill level. This allows for changes when there's a change in air pressure during transit. Each vial filled halfway still contains 6 milliliters of formula. The next question is, what color should they be? The Relumins oral vials are made with a highly powerful and active form of glutathione that can vary from a clear to a tinted shade when it interacts with oxygen. Not all vials change at the same rate. This process is called oxidation. And the item is still 100% safe, effective, and potent. The third question is, how to use? The oral vials can be used in either standard dose or high dose protocol. Standard dose is 1 milliliter once per day. High dose is 1 milliliter but twice a day. Draw out 1 milliliter of formula, that is 1 full pipette. Place the formula in your mouth under your tongue and hold it for 3 to 5 minutes. Then swallow the remaining liquid. This is for optimal absorption. For standard dose, do this once a day in the morning on an empty stomach, about 10 minutes before breakfast. For high dose, repeat the same procedure 10 minutes before dinner. There is no need for a gap day between doses. This product is meant to be taken every day. Adding 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily will also help with the results. Alright, let's move on with the questions. The next question is, what is the difference between 1,500, 7,500, and 15,000? All oral vials contain the same liquid formula. 1,500 milligrams of glutathione and 500 milligrams of vitamin C. The difference between the sets is not the milligrams per vial, but the number of vials per set. The dosages are cumulative, not individual per vial. So the 1,500 comes with 1 vial, the 7,500 comes with 5 vials, and the 15,000 comes with 10. Some sets contain additional booster capsules, which help boost the effect of glutathione and make them work better and faster. The fifth question is, which set should I get? If you're interested in standard dose, we recommend the 7,500 set. Each vial will last you 6 days in standard dose, and so the 5 sets will last for 30 days. If you would like to take the product in high dose, we recommend the 10 set. Each vial will last you 3 days, and so the 15,000 set will last you 30 days. The last question for the day is, what is the smell? The strong sulfur smell is completely normal. You can tell the product is made from high-potency glutathione because of the sulfur smell. Glutathione is a sulfur donating molecule.